welcome to G-Techie. Today we are going to see about how to download satellite images for free. Yeah, it's absolutely free. These websites are providing free satellite images for whom. First we are going to see about the Airbus Defense and Space. Here limited satellite imageries with high resolution. Yeah, for example, I just added with the spatial resolution, but for 1.5 meter resolution, then TerraSAR X 3 meter and WorldDem for 12 meter resolution. Next one is Bhuvan's ISRO Geoportal. It offers the detailed imagery for the Indian location. Yeah, whatever the images, it's FCC, whatever the images, it's a detail for only for Indian locations. Its resolution is about 1 meter to 2.5 meter resolution. Yeah, just think why it's 1 meter or 2.5 meter resolution. Yeah, here is the answer. Currently for 177 cities with high resolution, that means 1 meter resolution, and remaining are covered with 2.5 meter resolution. Next one is the Copernicus Open Access Hub. Here it's literally for the agricultural application. Here we can do the crop monitoring and management and vegetation and forest monitoring. For example, the leaf area index, chlorophyll concentration, carbon mass estimations. These are the things we can do, and monitoring the land cover of an environment. Also, I add one of the source. It's Sentinel. It's about 10 meter, 20 meter, and 60 meter. Here also, here the 10 meter, 20 meter, and 60 meter are about the bands. Entire Sentinel data with different bands. You know, band 1, band 2, band 3 used to be there, right? Like the type of a band, 10 meter for some bands, 20 meter for few bands, and 60 meter for few bands. Next one is the Digital Globe Open Data Program. Here it is for satellite. This particular satellite image we can utilize for the emergency cases. Yeah, it's for the emergency planning, risk assessment, monitoring of staging areas and emergency response and image assessment, and also includes the crowdsourced images, assessments of the major sudden onset disasters in a disaster condition before and after, or we have to plan in before the disaster. Means this here we can get the kind of satellite images and can download it. Its resolution, it's about, the source is World Use 3, it's about, resolution is about 31 centimeter. Next one is the Global Digital Surface Model. Yeah, we all know DSM. It's kind of elevation model, and it allows World 3D. The Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency (JAXA) released the Global Digital Surface Model, the DSM dataset. Its horizontal resolution is approximately 30 meter mesh. Next one is NOAA. It is nothing but National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration Data Access Viewer. Here only available, we can download limited data only for the elevation lidar. And here maximum it covers the land cover with the coastal US and its territory. Exactly. The lidar so might have been 1 meter to 2 meter. Then one is SAR. Next one is SAR in our co. So the guides for the studies for the very big task for the students or whoever in the research side of the tectonics or the earth studies. It's really a difficult task, but here you can't use the SAR data for the tectonics, earthquakes, focal mechanics, volcano behavior, hydrology, and public safety related to the earth hazards, whatever we can. It's seriously easy to handling also. We can easily analyze the tectonic earthquakes, everything. Yeah, you can find the data for free only here, this website also. Here that I didn't mention here there is, we can't say it's a resolution, and also we can say it's a millimeter to centimeter scale deformation for the earth surface over region tends to hundreds of kilometers. The data will be available. Next one is USGS. Yeah, it's the most familiar among the students because we can, here I attached one snapshot. Here you can go look for the sources. It's AVHRR, commercial satellites, declassified site, cover Landsat. Yeah, Landsat. We can use different kind of Landsat resources also there. It's 5, 7, 8. Next they are going to launch 9 also. Next the NASA's radar data. Here also Sentinel data is available and vegetative monitoring. Plenty of data are there. Few we have to purchase, and maximum it used to be data used to be there. You can use. Yeah, this is the thing I mentioned. It's not a matter where you're from. You can access a good resolution data with historic image. Yeah, it's possible with USGS. Absolutely. I love this. It's not any recommendation on the, but I love this website because my entire project, whenever it's a project or paper for presenting paper or conference, wherever I'm going instantly, I need a data means I just go for this and I will download the data and I will work for it. In my college days, maximum is spent with this website. Yeah, of course, I accept that. And for the here I mentioned only one source. It's a Landsat 8. Its resolution is up to 30 meter, 100 meter, and 15 meter. Yeah, 15 meter is for pan. It's the highest resolution in the entire Landsat 8. It's a pan. It's a black and white data. Remaining bands means band 11 and 10. I think it's 11 100 meter. Band 11 and 12 it's for 100 meter, and remaining bands are about 30 meter. I remember particular data. Yeah. Next one is, it's the last one, it's a video observation for the vegetation cover. We are going to deal entirely with the vegetation cover. This is also another website for download the vegetation data. So we can estimate the changes such as reduction of the burnt areas and the long-term behavior for vegetation cover, etc. Here some of the resources are for the spatial resolution I am given. It's a Proba V for 1 kilometer. With improved ground sampling distance, DSD is highly desirable. 300 meter for VNIR bands and 600 meter for SWIR bands. Here only I mentioned the bands above websites. I didn't mention. Excuse me for that because the list is a little bit big. That's why I didn't mention. I just charted out. In the final video only I just added the bands. I hope you all liked the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.